Hello friends, how are you? All are fine. I think everyone is a very fine and a very good and healthy also. And please don't take any tension. I know very well it's a pandemic time and it's a very tense time for us, but don't take a tension. Use that time for your study, and in future everything will be normal. Then you and me and everyone will we participate in a many examination also. So use that important time, because that time is a very important for us, because we have a very free time. All many students are in his house, in his hometown. So we have all type of things. Your family member is also is a very near, and everything is and you and me also in a very comfort zone in a this time with our family members. So use that time for your study, because in future everything will be normal. Okay, so don't take attention and please utilize that time. Okay, don't waste your time and create a many things. Your mind have a many creative activity and create everything. So and no, don't get a depression. Yeah, many tense conditions. Please take a creativity and give a happiness to your family. Okay, so use that time is a very useful for us. Okay, and that lecture is related to stereochemistry. It's I think a fourth lecture of stereochemistry, and this is a very important lecture of stereochemistry, because just a few minutes, sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay, because this lecture is lecture to RN as nomenclature. How can give a R nomenclature, R form, and how can give a how can decide a S form and R form? There, because R and S and DLL form are depend on a priority. Okay, because carbon have a four bond and attached to different group. But how can decide which atom is a low priority and which atom have a high priority, and how can decide clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation? So CIP rule is a very important rule for deciding of a priority, and CIP is CIP name is full form is a con ignore priority rule. And that rule is depend on many rules, and step by step we study in step by step, and understand how can decide which atom how can decide we give a which atom have a high priority number and which atom is a low priority number. So okay, then let's start. In first example, sorry. Okay. In my first, for example, configuration nomenclature is a further divided into absolute and relative, and absolute is a further divided into R and S. R means rectus and S for sinister, and D and L form. Okay, and D L L form are very related to a carbohydrates compound, and I am not give a very theory type lectures on, because that series is related to a net and gate point of view. So I explain only a very important topic and important things in my series. Okay, okay, start the CIP rule in both see these examples. Okay, so how can decide chlorine have a high priority and NH2 group is a lower priority and hydrogen present in a lower priority and CH3 present in a higher priority? How can decide? So these are decided through the CIP rule. Okay, so what is a CIP rule? Okay, what is a CIP rule? This is a CIP rule. Means priority rules are, depend upon these rules. Okay, firstly is a atomic number, then it in case atomic number is a different, then we decided which atom is a high priority and which atom is a in a low priority. Okay, and in case atomic number is the same, then check out atomic mass. Okay, and in case atomic mass is also same, then how can decide? Because a central carbon atom have a 4 bond and attached to the 4 bond and 4 bond attached to different group. But in case all bonds are attached to same carbon atom, means carbon atom, then how can decide? Because atomic mass is the same, then how can decide? Then third, this rule. Okay, and fourth is a multiple bond is also present. Okay, in a group, then how can decide? And the lone pair is also present. So start first rule. And through the first rule is a depend upon a atomic number. It means high atomic number have give a high priority and low atomic number atom give a low priority. For example, fluorine and bromine. Okay. Then carbon attached to 4 bond. Okay, then for example, here is a fluorine, here is a chlorine, here is a bromine, and here is a hydrogen. Oh, sorry. Here is a hydrogen. Okay, then how can decide? So bromine have a high atomic number compared to chlorine and fluorine. It means that order. Okay, means bromine, I give a first priority for a bromine, then second priority for a chlorine, and the third priority for a fluorine, and the fourth priority for a hydrogen. Then because of this priority, we decide which type of a rotation is a possible here. Okay, then which type rotation is possible? First to second to third. Means this type of a rotation is a possible, means this is a clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation. This rotation is a anti-clockwise rotation, means S form, because R is a clockwise rotation and S is a anti-clockwise, S for anti-clockwise rotation. Then here is a anti-clockwise rotation. So here is a which type of a form configuration? S form is a present here. Okay, so atomic number. Okay, and next is in case atomic number is the same, then how can decide which group give a high priority and which group in a low priority? Okay, for example, atomic mass, then second is a atomic mass. Okay, atomic number is the same, so which atoms have atomic number is the same? Means isotopes, maybe isotopes. Okay, so then again question rise in our mind, what is the isotopes? Isotopes means, firstly, iso okay, isotopes means mass is a different, and atomic number is same. Okay, for example, hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. Deuterium and tritium is the isotopes of a hydrogen. Okay, means all have a same atomic number. For hydrogen, one atomic number; for deuterium, one atomic number; for tritium, one atomic number. But mass is a different. for hydrogen 1, for a deuterium second, and for a tritium third. Okay, means 3. Then because of a different atomic mass, we decide which atom is a high priority and present in a high priority, and which atom present in a low priority. For example, carbon attached to this group. Okay, here is a hydrogen, here is a deuterium, here is a deuterium, and here is a chlorine. Okay, then how can decide a priority for this group? Okay, so here is a chlorine. Chlorine have a, firstly check atomic number. So chlorine, here is a chlorine have a high atomic number. Then first priority. Oh, then for a deuterium, and in these atoms are a same atomic number. Means for hydrogen is a 1, deuterium is a 1, and deuterium also have a 1 atomic number. Then how can decide? Then for second is a depend on a priority, is a depend on a atomic mass also. Then for hydrogen 1 atomic mass. Okay, for deuterium 2, and for tritium 3. It means priority is for titanium second, and for deuterium third, and for hydrogen is a fourth. It means which type of rotation is a possible here, then that type, because here is a second priority, then that type of rotation is a possible 1, 2, and 3. It means here is a which type rotation? Here is a clockwise and anti-clockwise. Here is a also a anti-clockwise rotation, means S form. Okay, and next rule is a, what is the next rule? Next rule is a, if central atom is attached to same carbon atom. It means, for example, this is a central carbon atom. Okay, and central carbon atom attached to same carbon atom. For example, here is a carbon, here is a carbon, here is a carbon, and here is a carbon. Means this central atom, this central atom is attached to same carbon atom. Okay, have a 4 bond, and all bond attached to same carbon atom, and the same carbon atom but not a same group. Here is all bonds are attached to different group. For example, here is a methyl group CH3. Okay, here is a ethyl group CH2, CH3, and here is a propyl, yeah, isopropyl, whatever, of CH3. Okay, and here is a 3 methyl groups attached to 3 methyl groups. Okay, CH3, sorry, not right here, you are understand. Okay, there is a 3 methyl group. Then how can decide which group which group present in a low priority, and which group in a high priority? Because central carbon atom, because central carbon atom attached to same carbon atom. Then for this complication and for this problem, this priority is not decided by this carbon. Priority is decided by two second atom who's attached to this carbon atom. Means purity is decided by this and this group, and here is also this and this. Because of this, and this carbon is attached to 2 hydrogen is here, and 1 carbon is here. So okay, means priorities that priorities depend upon not this carbon. Priorities are depend upon a second period atom who's attached to this carbon atom. Okay, I will explain how can. Okay, then firstly I will give numbers. Okay, here is a A. This carbon is a, this carbon is a B, this carbon is a C, and this carbon is a D. Okay. For the a carbon, for a carbon is attached to three hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. Okay. B carbon, this carbon, this carbon is attached to one hydrogen and two carbons. Okay. Carbon and carbon. Okay. And C is this carbon is attached to carbon, 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 because attached to three methyl group, carbon, carbon, and carbon. And for D, this carbon is attached to two hydrogen and one carbon. Okay. Then decide a priority. Firstly, see this group. Okay, this carbon is attached only three hydrogen, and a hydrogen have a less atomic has a less atomic number and atomic mass compared to carbon. Then for this group, what is a priority for this group? Fourth. What is a priority for this group? Fourth priority, because this carbon is attached to only hydrogen. Okay, not attached to any carbon. Okay. And for this group, see this group, this carbon means this carbon. Okay, this is a C. This carbon is attached to three carbon, not any hydrogen present here, attached to three carbon, because here is also methyl, here is also methyl, and here is also methyl. Okay, to attach to three methyl group means three carbon, means for this carbon first priority. Okay. And see this group, this B, where is a B? This carbon, this carbon is attached to one hydrogen and two carbon. Okay, one hydrogen and two carbon. And D group, this carbon is attached to two hydrogen and one carbon. It means for this group give a third priority, and for this group give a fourth priority. Okay. And according to this priority, which type of rotation is possible here? So which type rotation? 1, 2. Where is a 2? It's a 3 and 1. Oh, it's a 4. Sorry, it's a 2 and it's a 3. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. 4 is also given. It's a 2. Yeah, it's a 2 and it's a 3. Okay, here is a first priority, here is a second priority, this third priority for this carbon, and fourth priority for this carbon. Okay, then this type, which type is a rotation is a possible here? This type rotation 1, 2 and 3 means here is also is a anti-clockwise rotation, not a clockwise, because for a clockwise that type of rotation is a clockwise, and that type rotation is a anti-clockwise, because it's the opposite of a clockwise. Okay, so here is also S form. Okay, I understand. In case we do not understand how can it possible, then your question give in a comment box, and in my next lectures I will try to explain all things. And next things is also depend upon a multiple bond. Okay, then multiple bond, how can decide a priority? Okay, I will explain. For example, here is a carbon and carbonyl group. Then here is a carbon attached to oxygen, but in expanded form for this group. It's a simply visa we see a carbon attached to oxygen, and but here is a double bond. In a expanded form for this group means carbon attached to two oxygen, because here is a double bond, not only one oxygen, and oxygen is also attached to two carbon. Okay, for one carbon and one carbon, and second oxygen is here but also attached to different carbon. Okay, means for this double bond, it's the expanded form of this group, and that type of a expanded form is give a clue कि which type of rotation and which type rotation is a possible, and which atom is in a low priority and which atom is in a high priority. Okay, for example, here is a carbon. Okay, and carbon have a four group, and here is a carbon present a methyl group, and here is a double bond. Okay, here is also hydrogen, not only a single, because have okay double bond, and here is a, for example, fluorine. Okay, and it's an example only for your understand, and here is a carbon attached to triple bond. Okay, then how can decide which atom is a high priority and which atom is a low priority, is in a low priority, because this carbon and this carbon and this carbon, and here is a fluorine. Okay, so how can decide, because for a fluorine have a high atomic number compared to this and this, then it means fluorine give a one priority number. Okay, but second is, here is a same carbon atom. Okay, then how can decide, then second period atom is a decide, but here is a double bond and triple bond, then how can decide. Okay, then if firstly expanded form, so for this group, firstly erase this thing. I give a number, means name for all group. It's A, B, C and D. Okay, so A is a one priority number. Why? Because fluorine has a high atomic number, have a high atomic number compared to carbon. It means for a fluorine give a one priority, and for a B carbon, which type which priority present is here, and for a C carbon and for a D carbon. Okay, then for see here, this carbon, B carbon. Okay, B carbon present a triple bond and attached to this group. It means this carbon is attached to three carbon atoms. Okay, not only a single carbon, this carbon attached to three carbon atom. Okay, in the next page I explain, because here the space is a very okay, carbon attached to triple bond and CH. Okay, means this carbon attached to three carbon atom. Okay, carbon. Okay, and one carbon also, and this carbon is attached to two carbons. One is this carbon, and here is also present a one carbon. Here is a hydrogen, and not here is a hydrogen. Oh, yeah. Firstly, four bond form, four bond. Okay, this carbon attached to three carbon atom, okay, and this carbon is also attached to three carbon atom. Here is a hydrogen, and here is also three carbon, means it's a central carbon atom, okay. It's a central carbon atom, okay. And this carbon attached to three carbon atom, and this carbon is also attached to three carbon atom, 1 2 and 3. Are you understand? Means B carbon, it's a B carbon na? B carbon is attached to three carbon atom, okay, not a hydrogen. Means in this structure, here is B carbon is attached to three carbon atom, okay. And C carbons. Where is a C? This carbon. This carbon is also attached to three carbon atom because here is a 3 methyl group. Then this carbon is also attached to three carbon atom. And for D carbon is at, here is a two double bond present, not a triple bond. Here is a double bond present, means expanded form is it for this group. Carbon and a carbon, and it's a central carbon. It's a central carbon. This is a central carbon, means this carbon attached to two carbon, okay, two carbon and one hydrogen. Then how can decide priority? So for this group, because this for for this group and this group both are attached to same carbon atom, but this for this group here is a second priority, okay. Not a second, here is a fourth, it's a first priority, and here's it's a fourth priority decided because both carbon have a high priority compared to this carbon, because this carbon attached to one hydrogen, and the C and B carbon not attached to any hydrogen. But this group how can decide a priority? Then further move on a second carbon, okay, because this carbon attached to same carbon atom. Then move on a second carbon, means this carbon, see here, okay, this carbon, it's a central carbon, and it's a first carbon, and it's a second. This carbon is also attached to two carbon atom, but for this group, see, here is a methyl group, okay, and here is a hydrogen and hydrogen and hydrogen, okay. But this carbon is not attached to carbon. This carbon is attached to hydrogen only, okay. This carbon is attached to two carbons and one hydrogen, but this carbon is not attached to two carbon. It's only attached to three hydrogen, means see here. I think you are not understand. Uh, I explain for this carbon, okay. This carbon attached to three methyl group, means this carbon attached to again carbon and carbon, and this carbon is attached to hydrogen and hydrogen, okay, understand. This carbon is attached to only hydrogen, but this carbon is not attached to only hydrogen. This carbon is attached to carbon and hydrogen. So how can decide a priority? So for this group have a high priority, means it's a first priority, means here is a second priority, and here is a third priority, and here is a fourth priority, okay. Then how can decide which type of rotation is a possible here? Means here is a clockwise rotation, means R form is a possible here, okay. Are you understand? Okay, in my next class I will try to explain. Okay, only one thing is left, I think, lone pair, okay. For a lone pair have a lone pair is a less priority compared to atom, means in case, for example, For example, okay, here's a lone pair present. Here is a carbon present, carbon in a center. Here's a carbon, okay, and in case here is a lone pair is a present. For example, here is a carbon, 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 and carbon attached to oxygen, okay, and it has attached to nitrogen and hydrogen and hydrogen, okay, and hydrogen have a lone nitrogen have a lone pair, okay. Then here is the carbon is also attached to, for example, COH group, and is this carbon is also, for example, here is a methyl group, okay. So then lone pair means a lone pair have a less purity compared to atom, means here is a lone pair is a present. Then this, because of this lone pair, this compound is a less purity compared to other atom, because here is a lone pair is a present, okay, and other atom not a present a lone pair. So this group is a less purity. In case here is also present a lone pair, for example, okay, so are you understand? Means a lone pair is also affect the purity. Oh, and because of a lone pair, purity is disturbed, and the lone pair have a less purity compared to atom. Okay, okay. Thank you, friend. The all things are finished, and not I will give you some questions for you, and please solve this question. And in case you have a problem for a solving of this question, then tell me what is your problem, and in my next lectures I will try to explain you, okay. Then first question is a this question is for you. It's a vase bond, okay, and this bond is attached, and here is a dash bond. How can show a dash bond? Because I write with my hand, okay, it's a dash bond, okay, and here is a double bond, and here is a bond, and okay. Then give a priority for a this carbon, okay. Please give a priority for this carbon, because stereochemistry is a present here, to decide a priority for this carbon, okay. It's a question for you, and please solve that question and give a answer and in my comment box, okay. Thank you, friends.